This is extremely rare. We're barely above sea level, and we're getting snowfall. This is in Southern California. And like I say, barely above sea level and getting snowfall. It's really cold outside. It's the first time since we've lived here we've seen anything like this. I really can't imagine there's any chance of it sticking because it's been raining for 2 days. It's very, very wet. Let's see if I can zoom into the trees farther back. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. I'm surprised to see it. Jai was so excited. I told her about it, and she was, oh, I gotta see it, got to see it. Wow. I'm very surprised. Very surprised. This is looking in our backyard. Yeah, this is very, very, very surprising. Like I say, again, we're barely above sea level.